Did you know that the main reason many entrepreneurs fail to achieve the success they desire is directly related to a lack of self-confidence? That's right. Insecurity can paralyze you and prevent you from making important decisions for your business growth. But the good news is that self-confidence can be developed and strengthened. In this video, I'm going to show you how to overcome the mental barriers that affect your confidence and how to make bold decisions, even when faced with the fear of failure. Before we dive deeper, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, take a moment to subscribe now. This way, you'll make sure you won't miss out on any valuable tips and motivating content to empower your entrepreneurial journey. Let's overcome insecurities together and take the next step toward success. In entrepreneurship, insecurity often stems from the fear of the unknown and the possibility of failure. Many entrepreneurs find themselves paralyzed by doubt, constantly questioning whether they are making the right decisions. This constant doubt creates a cycle of procrastination where nothing gets done out of fear of making mistakes. However, the key to overcoming this is understanding that failure is part of the learning process. There is no success without failure. The most important thing is to take action, learn from mistakes, and keep moving forward. To build your self-confidence, the first step is to accept that you don't know everything, and that's completely normal. No entrepreneur starts off knowing everything, and every step you take is a learning opportunity. Confidence comes with experience. Another crucial point is to focus on your victories, even the small ones, and recognize your progress. Every small win is proof that you are capable. Additionally, start making decisions, even small ones, without hesitation. The fear of making wrong decisions often paralyzes entrepreneurs. But remember, it's better to make a decision and learn from it than to remain stuck in indecision. Make decisions based on information, but don't wait for perfection. Confidence comes with practice. Finally, surround yourself with people who believe in you and your potential. Support and motivation from a positive network are essential to strengthening your confidence and pushing you forward on your entrepreneurial journey. So, how about taking the next step? If you're ready to make bold decisions and strengthen your self-confidence in entrepreneurship, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with other entrepreneurs who also need this extra boost of confidence. Let's walk this path to success together.